All right, another fine day of carpet cleaning. Anyway, we got 3 jobs on the books today. First one, repeat client. Cleaned for her, I don't know, probably 5, 6 times already. And yeah, same routine. She's had pet issues this time, actually, in a few rooms. She always does a little bit, but we're gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and not do a full green Rhino cocktail. I got some pet treatment mixed up in here. I'm gonna hit the areas with that with my light, treat that, and then do a full-on just carpet cleaning with a regular pre-spray. The reason I'm doing that is because I mistakenly filled up my backpack sprayer. Let's see if I can zoom it in. There it is. Backpack sprayer with pre-spray already mixed up, and I'm not gonna need all that, and I don't want to waste my solution and boost all that, right? So I'd rather, in this case, just go ahead and locate the spots and treat it first. This is green Rhino cocktail also, but in another container, right? That way I don't have to, I can do spots and stuff with this. Anyway, and it's a dark container, and the reason why it's dark, well, it's not dark, but solid, because there's peroxide in there, and when light hits it, it depends, it's a peroxide, so we don't want to do that. Actually lasts a while, guys, too, so people are worried about when you mix this stuff up. Listen, as long as you protect it, your peroxide is still going to keep its strength, right? As soon as you put it in something like that, you know, sunlight's hitting it, you know, think about it. When you buy the peroxide, it's in a white bottle. How do you think that it says an expiration date on it? No. All right, so Jose's in there vacuuming. I'm gonna go ahead and locate the urine and treat that. So this room needs a lot of scrubbing. We did do a pet treatment in here, and just spills and stuff like that. So new sharp 10-inch. We're gonna see how it works out for green Rhino. If you see my videos, you know that I've been using multi-wash for years and years and years, and Powerfly multi, and I still recommend that, guys. That I got that so I can do multiple things with that product, with that machine, right? Instead of buying 2 machines, I bought that to cover both hard floor cleaning and CRB and scrubbing carpet. But now that I'm doing a little better, I can buy machines to do each task. So that's going to be strictly for scrubbing carpet. I have other machines for scrubbing tile and clean hard floors. So yeah, so he already went through all this. I already pre-treated everything as far as pet stains. I already pre-sprayed everything. Yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and run the hoses back here. I like this about this. It comes with a tray, you know, and the catcher on there I really love. I like the machine so far. Some people say they have nothing but trouble, but I like the machine so far. That doesn't make any sense, right? So we just did a pet treatment on that half of the room. The other half, the pet didn't hit it. It's weird. So we're just gonna do the CRB and on that half of the room. The other half of the room is gonna be fine with just a pre-spray without agitation. If you're gonna do a full pet treatment and you don't agitate, you're risking it. You're not gonna get the full benefit, and you might get a call back. So that's what I do. right, guys. So Jose's taking over on the lawn out there. So yesterday was an interesting night. I actually spoke in front of the city council. Me, I spoke in front of the city council. All right. Yeah, kind of weird situation. I got actually a complaint on my vans in my neighborhood, right? It's a home-based business. Apparently, you're not supposed to have your vans with logos on it in front of your home-based business, which is weird, right? Because if you had an office downtown, say, it's all right to bring your work vehicles home. So, yeah, that they need to be fixed, right? So I got a warning. Just so happens there was a city council meeting coming up that following week. So after posting on Nextdoor my situation, I had so much support there. Incredible for entrepreneurs, small business, so much support. Crazy, but it just takes one nosy neighbor, and that's all it took to get that call. Gave me a month to move my vans. So Brenda convinced me, you need to go to this city council meeting and speak. So yeah, I did it. It was odd. But you know what? I'm so glad I did, because the amount of support I got there at the city council meeting, including the panel, all right, down to the mayor, totally agreed with the situation. And believe it or not, guys, they're going to adjust that situation to where it's going to be now a minimum amount of vehicles in front of your house and size, right? So say 2 vehicles, it's going to be fine. 1 vehicle in your driveway is going to be fine. They still got to approve it, but the city council man and actually a few other people said they're going to reach out to me and let me know when it's in effect. But they told me don't move my vans. Even supervisor for the police department had spoken to me and said, we really don't want to, damage people's lives and stuff like that, the businesses. We just have to follow through on these complaints, and this is what the rules are right now. So after this, I think we're good, and I think I did a real good favor to the rest of the entrepreneurs in my area, in my city, no matter if it's carpet clean or whatever, right? If you got to park a van at home, right, and you can't afford to rent a commercial space, or it just doesn't make any sense for you to do it, then they're no longer in jeopardy, right? And especially when it comes to starting out. So if you're starting out a business and right away you've got to find a place to store your van with all this equipment, and what's going to happen? It's going to make it harder to step out. To start out, right? $1,000 out of your pocket from the get-go a month. That's going to cause a lot of people to actually quit and not motivate and not have the motivation to continue. And that's exactly what I told the committee, and yeah, went over well, guys. So yeah, public speaker right here. All right, let me finish it up. They decided to add this, a lot of pet hair. All right, guys, that's it for this one. You know what to do. Like, subscribe, comment. See you in the next one.